Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. It's a brand new sunny day here. It's actually very sunny outside. My two babies are sleeping, so I was getting some me mommy time chilling. You know, the thing is, when I'm on vacation, I don't have to worry about go to school run, school drop off, so that kind of give me a little time to rest. And best believe I'm capitalizing on those times, especially this week that we don't have to cook and doing green smoothie. I have to cook, but not big cooking. I just have to whip up little things for the kids. If you guys have been following us for a few days now, then you guys know that babe and I have been doing the green smoothie cleanse by JJ Smith that we've done a few years ago. So let me just jump in right now. Today is day 7, so I'm gonna give you guys day 7 recipe because I've been giving you guys a recipe each day. So day 7 recipe is 2 handful of spinach, 2 handful of spring mixed greens, 1 banana, 1.5 cup pineapple, 1.5 cup mango, 1 cup mixed berries, 3 packs stevia, 2 cups water, 2 tablespoons flaxseed, and if you want to put protein powder in it, you can put 1 scoop. So that's the recipe for today. But let me just back up and tell you guys that I have bad news. Yes, you heard right. And the bad news is I failed miserably. Okay, sometimes you have to do what's best for you, and in my case, I don't know if I'm to call it fail, but I'm gonna call it doing what best for me. Yesterday I woke up and my entire body was like this, shaking, weak. I couldn't do anything. At least I couldn't do anything at all, and I have this woozy, weak feeling. I literally had to take a COVID test. So I had to take a COVID test because I couldn't shake the feeling all day yesterday. And I was wondering if it's maybe I am having the smoothie and my body is adjusting and flushing out all the toxins and stuff like that, or maybe my blood sugar is too low or something. So I called babe at work and I say, you know what, I am gonna abort this smoothie mission. I have to eat something to bring my energy up. So I had a cereal bar, and I feel my energy start coming around. The cereal bar is sweet, so maybe it was my blood sugar that was too low, or whatever was going on with my body kind of bring me around a bit. I had enough energy to make some soup. So I made some soup, and I had the soup for dinner. So I had to abort my smoothie for last night dinner. So by this morning I was back to my old self. So I was saying I honestly don't know what happened, but I wasn't feeling well. But the fact that I ate something heavier than the smoothie last night for dinner, I felt back my old self. So come back this morning, day 7, I am back on my smoothie mission. So I don't know if I should call it fail, but I still wanted to continue. And and I had a piece of chicken that I roast in the oven. I had to eat something last night. I couldn't shake the feeling, but I take the COVID test and the test was negative, so thank God I had to rule that out. So it was just whatever my body is adjusting to. But so far I'm back today on day 7, and I'm back to my old self, as you guys can see. Okay, so my kids are taking a nap right now. I'm gonna go pick them up and try to get on the road to go to the supermarket. So you guys will see everybody in the supermarket haul. So have a good day, stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, and subscribe right now if it's the first time to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up. All of you that's watching right now, I'll appreciate that a whole lot. Anyway, you guys, let's get cracking on this road, and I'll see you guys later. You guys, this is a brand new day, different from the start of the vlog from yesterday. Yesterday took a turn, so we did not go to the supermarket yesterday because Tyler wasn't feeling well. Lord have mercy, babe got scratched. Yes, Sarah, good job. Bravo. This one. Good job. Do it, you can do it. Pull it here, here. Hold it. Yay! Bravo, my best. Anyway, guys, so like I said, we did not go to the supermarket yesterday, so it's a brand new day, and we're just continuing. I'll tell you guys everything that happened yesterday and what's been going on. So, supermarket haul, let's get into it right away. With all the craziness.
Banana.
Yes, you want banana?
I'm starting with that. I'm giving it her. I don't know what is that.
It's a soup blender. So now when my soup is hot, I can go ahead and blend it without have to wait till it warm to put it in my blender. So I finally get my soup blender on the child. I've been wanting this for a while. I buy a cheap one just in case. So this was like €8. Please.
So I have some apple. We have some more lettuce for the smoothie. Yes.
No, it's not for the smoothie. It's for salad. No.
It's for salad.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, let's go, let's go. Leno, good job. Sorry, what is this? Leno.
That sounds good.
Bravo.
Smoothie.
Damn, man, I would eat this right now. So the oven is on. Can you tell? Samosa, Tyler's favorite.
My smoothie, this morning smoothie.
Yes, well, they have to go in the oven first, right?
Yes.
Sarah, what is this?
Chicken.
There we go. Let's go faster. The better for me.
Comment c'est quoi ça? Dentifrice.
C'est quoi en anglais dentifrice?
Toothpaste.
Voilà.
Dentifrice.
Sarah, oh, look, my Sarah, Lord have mercy. Look at face, Sarah. Say hello, face. Look over there. Turn around, look. She put on her glasses and she's so cute. Look at face. But no, you damage your eye.
Yeah,
What is this? Bread.
Papier mouchoir.
Papier mouchoir. Mouchoir is the thin thing to wipe your nose. Sorry, what is this?
Yogurt.
There we go, my smart girl.
Papier toilette.
yeah, we have tomatoes here. Little baby tomatoes.
You can't skirt with no. Sorry, what is this? Great.
Something that I didn't know before to meet her. I like it, and the
It's
first
his
time I ate
favorite.
it was in Jamaica, and even in French.
Who made it for you? My sister.
Was
You
it
say my
sister?
sister.
It was sister when you were at UTech.
Mhm.
And even in the French box is written in English. I mean,
Yeah, because it's English.
I mean,
I think it's more British. I don't
yeah,
know.
corn.
If somebody know the origin of corned beef, let me know.
They don't even have a translation. for that.
Corned
Have some
beef is
salmon.
corned beef. Nah.
We still have a bag of apple. You can see, guys, that there's a
Okay. Okay, they get it. Nah. Finish.
there's a thing in France is that they ban the bag like the plastic bag. So that was the first thing. Like some years ago, 2-3 years ago, they banned the bag. So now is for when they sell like apples or anything like this. Now they ban against the plastic that they cover them. So that's why you're gonna see box.
But I don't understand because some things still have plastic cover them, like the salmon.
Yeah, because they give them more times to adjust to find a solution. Something that they
So
can't
that's
have
why
a
I
solution.
stopped seeing the apple with the plastic cover.
Yeah, so that's why they put box.
Preserving the earth a little longer. Fruit, c'est quoi fruit en anglais?
Wow.
Pipi, come.
We have the Rasta color. And we have the salmon.
Broccoli.
Go, Pipi, go.
And the carrot here.
Let's go, let's go.
Wow.
Okay, in this bag is a bunch of frozen things. We won't show you guys everything.
Then we have like the pineapple, the mango,
the fries,
sweet
the
potato
broccoli.
fries, the broccoli, the zucchini.
all the
All of
fruits
these
and
things.
vegetables. Yes, right.
Carroting,
Wrapping, great.
wrapping,
A salad.
and you have some shrimp.
Shrimp. No time, don't take them home, put them back. I'm not gonna show face though.
We have some yogurt.
You're back.
Oh, this time she got she got a different type of spinach, but she said the other
No,
one
I don't like the other one.
was easy to spoil, so
Yeah.
we got this one
I
in the
prefer
bag.
this one. You want the snack bag?
This is what I dream all day of
No,
the
Sarah.
week while I was doing the smoothie. I was dreaming of little things like bacon at breakfast. So I had to get it for when I'm done. The bacon.
Sorry, you want juice? Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama.
A sausage is the same sausage we had at Auntie and Uncle.
In love with it. Literally in love with it.
So it's good that she won't go for new thing by herself, but now when we go into somebody, she's open much more than at the beginning.
Oh yeah.
At the beginning she was closed.
I
No.
was shut down completely.
Now she open and she's ready
I'm willing to try
new things. And whenever she tries a new thing, most of the time
I'm in love with
she
it.
love it.
Yeah.
And then she want it. So
I find it, I source it for
that's good
myself.
things. We have ham, we're gonna have
Prawns for the prawns. Prince biscuit for the prince.
some pasta.
And the
some
queen is just there eating.
nuts.
What is this, Sarah? Pasta, bamboo
Regular things,
Different types of bread.
sausage.
We already showed you guys this. Biscuit for Tyler. Good job. Yaourt for Sarah, yogurt.
Alright, we got
Yes,
these.
Sarah.
We got these two things in France at the supermarket today. It was on sale. So we got the lasagna. Well, we all know
Ready
what is
made.
lasagna.
We can make it, but
It's already made for €2. A big box like this
Big
on
box.
sale. So that was
€2?
fine.
I
€2
got
something. And the same thing, €2 something. It called hachis parmentier. This is French.
hold on. In English, I think it's called. Oh gosh, the British eat it a lot. It's called. What is it called?
Yeah, I see
Oh
what
my
you
gosh. English potato. What is it called? Oh, the word is in my mouth. Let
Mine
me show
too.
the picture. Let me
So,
show the picture. Hold on,
this-
and then I give it back. This is it. What is it called again in English? I don't remember. Shepherd's pie. Hey, baby.
This man, the name of the thing he called parmentier. This is a French guy. We say that this person creates something about the potatoes. It's something created or discovered or something like this. It's called parmentier. So he
Oh,
gave
so
his
his
name.
name was Parmentier?
Yes, that's his last name. So he gave his name to
Okay,
the
okay.
food. So it's just puree, like puree is like
Pure potato.
pure potato, and we have meat on the bottom. Originally, this is something that we do with leftover food, but we also love to do it with new fresh.
No
meat.
cheese not in it?
Yeah, on the top is
Okay.
cheese that when you put it in the oven
Uh-huh.
is cooked.
Okay.
This used to be my father. Let me tell you. When
yeah,
I
but the
used to
story
go with
today.
my father, because my parents divorced, so I used to spend the weekend only at my father. My father can cook. He have like 2-3 things that he can do, and he do it overall. But we love them. And this one, he
Was
used to
one of them.
master it. I never find one better than
That's good.
what he used to do.
That's
So
good. We both are from divorced homes, so we have our own little memories. Good job. And our smoothie cleanse finish in 3 days, so we are back to our regular routine. In
strawberry, who gets strawberry in
Oh,
winter?
don't say too loud. If she see this right now, she all know what's gonna happen.
Ooh.
Ooh. Tell them, babe. Tell them the
No,
story.
you have to talk about this.
You guys, there's something in France called panini. It's made of this bread, and they put inside of different kind of filling with cheese, and you have curry chicken in the middle. You can have whatever filling you want, and then put it in the sandwich maker machine. And listen to me, it's the best sandwich you could ever have in life, and I am obsessed with it. Anywhere I go and it's lunchtime, it's the first thing I look for. Panini. Now they research from me and find that the panini bread is at the supermarket, and now that I have my sandwich machine, you know what's gonna happen? You gotta go have panini at least once per week. So I find the panini bread, and I bought two different types. I buy the big one for the adult size, and I have the small one for the kid size. So when the smoothie cleanse finish, honey,
Wow!
A big, huge pack of 15 crepe with chocolate in it. It's ranked D. D as terrible.
D as dead.
But Tyler loves it, and Tyler needs to eat and to take muscles and weight, and so he can
Anything
have all of the
for
food that he
tie.
needs. But us,
Not so much.
but we also need to enjoy life. So yeah, we find balance.
Okay, so we
So that's
finished.
it. Otherwise, it's just little things that are like this. So,
Put these on the
go.
Anyway, you guys, so let you guys know what's going on. Remember I told you guys in previous clip that I was shaking and I don't know what happened, and I had to eat something for the smoothie. So now you can consider us not doing a full cleanse anymore, because babe has joined me. Not doing a full cleanse anymore, we're now doing a modified cleanse. So we'll do smoothie for breakfast, we'll do smoothie for 2 times of the day, whichever 2 times of the day that we choose, and then one of the meal we'll substitute for something heavier, because honestly whatever I experience, I don't want babe to experience that. So we decided to
I'm
go
strong, but I can't resist when somebody eating good things like this in front of me.
He came home when I did the soup, and the chicken is like, honey, I need a piece of your chicken. And he had chicken. So we're still pushing through to the smoothie cleanse. We're still going to finish it. We have 3 more days leave, and we're still on the grind. But one of the meals, one of the smoothies, we're cutting it out and eat. So yeah, I really think it was my blood sugar that was low, and I don't want to experience that again. So anyway, you guys, that's where we're gonna end today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow. Sarah, come say hello to the face, because they didn't see you properly. Come here. Look, Sarah. What are you doing? Look. Say hello. How are you? You ready for lunch? What do you want for lunch? Hungry? You want colors?
Yes, colors.
Anyway, you guys, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Want them to see you too? Say hello, your lip white. You're hungry?
Colors.
You're hungry? Go like this.
Colors.
He can't even lick his lip properly. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna look after my babies. I'm happy though that Tyler is feeling much better today than he was yesterday. So the fever is gone and his headache is gone. So see you guys tomorrow.